Is it my screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Quick revision. We have a quick revision of transportation problem. The definition of transportation problem. As I told you, the transportation problem deals with the transporting the goods from origin to the destinations. In our example, we have taken origin as a factory and destination is a warehouses. Transfer the goods from warehouse to the factory or finish the goods from a factory to the warehouse. How much cost is to be incurred? That cost matrix is already given. That is what our problem. So there are m number of origins and n number of destinations. Like assignment problem, there is no need to have a square matrix. That means balance. Maybe less number of rows and columns may be deeper. Transport the goods from the origin to the destination to minimize the total transportation cost. And this is the mathematical definitions. As I said, the origins from 1 to m and destinations from 1 to n. If you have to transport the goods from the first origin to the first destination, so this will be the cost C11. And already I discussed the origin and destinations are at different location and different in nature. So again here origin 1 to origin destination 2 C12. Similarly, the cost of CMN to transport the mth origin to the nth destination. Whenever you transport, the same time you have to keep in mind what is the capacity of origin and what is the requirement of destination. That means what is the capacity of an warehouse and what is the requirement of factory has to be considered. And the capacity and requirement of origin and destination or a capacity of factory and a warehouse must be equal. No excess material is to be transported or no less material is stored in a company, in a warehouse. That is why here summation of AI is equal to summation of BJ. That means the AI stands for requirement, BJ stands for the capacity, B1, B1, 2, so on BN, requirement A1, so on AM. What is this? This is AM, right? So now here the requirement, summation of requirement is equal to summation of capacity. This may be requirement, supply or demand, right? Or requirement. The label may be anything, but always here we have to say that the whatever the total of the columns is equal to total of the row has to be matched.